guys, my name is Donna and welcome to my channel. I'm a personal chef, cooking instructor, and recipe developer, and I love creating budget-friendly, healthy, and delicious meals. So if you're looking for to learn how to prepare healthy and delicious meals for yourself, you're in the right place. Click the subscribe button and I'll be happy to help. As you see, we upgraded our kitchen, but don't get intimidated. You can set a goal to have a kitchen like that one day, but you don't have to own the kitchen like that in order to cook. This is not my kitchen. My kitchen is probably the smallest kitchen in town, but I still cook there every day. So today's episode is about breakfast. Breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. We all need to have a good breakfast to fuel us up and to keep us going during the day, especially you young people, to get through the classes during the day. So one of my favorite and my daughter's favorite breakfast is breakfast tacos. I love to make breakfast tacos for her during the summer when she was visiting, and it's really easy, simple, and fast. You can make it literally in 5 minutes, and you don't need a lot of ingredients. You need tortillas, you need eggs, of course, cilantro or salsa on top, or you can jazz it up and create your own versions with using the ingredients, whatever you have in your kitchen. Like if you don't have avocado, you can add tomatoes and basil and little mozzarella and take it to the Italian direction. Or if you have slices of ham in your fridge and a couple of slices of Brie, you can take it to the French direction and make your tacos with ham and Brie. So we're gonna do all these 3 different versions, but feel free to be creative and use your own ideas, use your own fridge and pantry and make your own tacos. So for your tacos, you can use flour tortillas. These are just plain flour tortillas, just like that. If you're gluten-free, if you don't want to eat gluten, you can use corn tortillas, which are kind of my favorite because it has nice corn flavor. And I just discovered these tortillas which are made of almond flour, and it's great substitute for people who don't want to eat either corn or flour tortillas, and they're very pliable and they are actually delicious. So I'm sure you can find it in the supermarkets because they are becoming really popular. So we're going to use all 3 of them. All right, you want to turn the heat on medium high. Medium high. Let's do it there. And I like to warm up my tortillas because it gives a nice little crust and flavor, and it's better to have it warm up. I'm warming up 2 of them, and I'm going to make scrambled eggs for our tacos. There we go. It's ready. It probably took us like 5 minutes to prepare those. And yeah, you can, if you have salsa in your fridge, you can pour a little bit of salsa and enjoy. So we made our traditional taco with avocado, lime juice, and cilantro. We made Italian version of tacos with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. And we made French version of tacos. So we just created that. So it's not done. It's like taco in brackets. So with ham and brie. That's the point of the cooking that I'm trying to teach you guys, that you have to be creative and just use the ingredients that you have. You can add mushrooms, you can add any other ingredient that you like and you have in your pantry and fridge, and be creative. Thank you for watching. If you like the episode, hit the subscribe button and invite your friends, share it with them, and see you next time.